Hello everybody, my name is Jack and I'm here to teach you how you can pay your rent online, and you can also use a credit card to pay your rent. I'm a US citizen living in Nicaragua, right? I can pay anyone here who has real estate, I can pay them online using a US debit card, and all they need is a bank account. That's it. And then you just use a service to put money in it. It doesn't matter where you're from or any of that. As I mentioned, you'll be able to pay your rent with credit this way. So for a 3% fee, you'll be able to wire money into your landlord's bank account, in addition to the regular Remitly fee. This is very useful. As many of you know, people are struggling, and being able to leverage your credit to pay rent can actually be incredibly useful. Welcome to Remitly. As you can see here, if you use my link, which is located below this video in the top of the description, then that's going to get you a $20 discount on your second transfer. Remitly transfers cost $5.99, so this actually means that you'll get $14 for the transfer, in addition to the money that you spend. Now I'm going to walk you through the transfer process. We start by picking the amount and delivery method. You'll be able to pick between Express and Economy. As you can see, Express has a $6 fee, Economy has a $4 fee. If you're sending more than $100, then the fee will go up a little bit. After you've picked the amount that you're going to send and the destination country, because remember, Remitly works in almost every country in the whole world, then you'll go down and pick the delivery method. These are important because depending on who you want to pay, it's going to be different. It's actually possible to use Remitly to pay anybody, even if they don't have a bank account. All you do is do their ID, their name, and then they get a code. And then they go to the bank, they show their name, they show their ID, and they pick the money up using the code. However, for your landlord, you're normally going to want to use a bank deposit. So let's pick that. Based on your delivery location, in my case, Nicaragua, you'll see the banks that are accepted by Remitly. So let's say we're using Banpro. You pick your bank and then click Continue. Now what you need to do is add the recipient's details. You'll need to get the account or debit card number. Then you need their name, and it's really important that this matches the information on their ID card, okay? And then you also need to put some basic identifying information here. Now, once you've filled all this out, you'll be able to send money to them. And money, when it's confirmed, is available within 30 minutes unless you do the transfer on a Sunday. So if I initiate a transfer into, let's say, my fiance's bank account right now, that money is going to be available within 30 minutes and is usually available within 10 or 15. However, on Sundays, it won't work. On Sundays, it might take 2 or 3 hours for you to receive the money. You might be put on hold the first time you try and send money or add a recipient. That might trigger a hold on your account. If that happens, you need to call Remitly. You need to prove that you own the payment method being used to fund the transfer. So you should expect that Remitly might pause your transfer until you verify your account. This is only going to happen when you change information or add a new recipient. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is the sending limits. So I hope this video was helpful. Remember to use my affiliate link in the description. This is going to get you a $20 discount off of your second transfer, as long as you send more than $100 on your first transfer.